Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. Create a list box. Right-click the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the List Box item in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in the User Form 1 area. List Box 1 is now located in the User Form 1 area. In the VBA editor, double-click the User Form 1. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. The formatted listbox 1 list will be displayed in the mask.